Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is. I'm so excited to teach today's improv game. You can do this at home with varying abilities, varying ages. I'm going to share one game that you can explore and different ways to adapt it for all abilities. This game is called Like, Don't Like, and sometimes I call it Like It or Zop It. And this game is really engaging with our bodies and also a place where we can learn about what we like, we don't like, our similarities, our differences, and just kind of more about who we are and our identity and self-awareness. So it's where we are in the center of a room and we say different varying things that we can decide if we like it, don't like it, love it, or never tried it, or not sure. So we pick different walls to represent like, don't like, never tried it, or not sure, and love it. I even sometimes take Post-it notes and write like it, don't like it, never tried it, love it on the different walls. And you each announce, whoever is playing, different things that you could have an opinion on, like Halloween. Do you like Halloween? Walk towards the Halloween wall, or the like wall for Halloween. Do you not like Halloween? Walk towards the not like wall. And you just move around the room and you go to the areas that represent your opinion on whatever was yelled out. Or candy, or socks, or the ocean, or scary movies, and you just keep saying things and go to the area of the room that represents your opinion. And I play it two ways. Sometimes I play it with impulse control in mind, where you actually cannot tell your opinion, you have to show your opinion. So you have to walk to the wall without saying why you're walking to the wall. But then sometimes I play it where you can totally talk and tell us why we like it, why we don't like it, and make it more of a conversation. This game can be played with children and young teens who are verbal, nonverbal. It could be more about the movement of the room, announcing the different ideas. And it's a really fun game to kind of get us learning about one another and also valuing each other's opinions and not judging one another's opinions. And yeah, it's really fun. It's called Like It or Zop It. Thank you so much and have a great day.